My name is Nina Saini Pryor. I come from Nairobi, Kenya. I've come to SGVP Hospital for a double knee replacement. I've been suffering for the last 20 years. It took me a while to make this decision. Hearing from a lot of people who have gone through this, I've had great difficulties, so it kept putting me off. But finally, it had come to a stage where I had to have it done. And a friend of ours, a family close friend of ours, had the same thing done. His wife came to have it done in Ahmedabad. And he gave me the confidence and recommended that I should come here. And that's why I made the trip. And today is the 7th day after my surgery. And I can say that Dr. Jiten and his team have done a fantastic job. And I had fears, but he put it all out. And I can do a lot of things that I was not able to do before the surgery. So I am very pleased to recommend anyone to come and have it done here, particularly here. And also would like to thank the Sagar and Share team who have been wonderful on making sure that I am comfortable. The friend who recommended me, I decided to choose SGVP Hospital because of the reviews and that I had received, and especially the friend that had suggested that this hospital had the facilities needed for someone who is coming for a double knee surgery. The fears that I had after the surgery was how long will it take before I'm able to stand? How long am I going to take before I can walk? But that all has surprised me. On the 3rd day, I was able to get out of bed and stand on my own. And the pain was minimal. On the 6th day, I went up the stairs, going up, coming back down, and to my surprise, there was no pain. And that gave me even more confidence to convince people to come here. The hospital team, the nurse stations, every staff, I can say, from the guard to the doctors, everyone have been very, very helpful. They have understood my needs.
SGVP Holistic Hospital.